In Baselworld 2018, Tudor released its newest addition to their diver family, the all-new Black Bay GMT, reference M79830RB, a utilitarian timepiece, 41mm in diameter, 50mm lug-to-lug, and 15mm in case height. Stainless steel with polished and satin finishes, 200 meters water resistant, with a winding and setting screw-down crown and case back. The bi-directional rotatable bezel has a 24-hour graduated anodized aluminum disc in matte burgundy for daylight and blue for nighttime hours. A definite homage to classic GMTs. It has a domed sapphire crystal and black dome dial with white hour markers, snowflake hands, and a red snowflake GMT hand, indicating additional time zones. All finished with luminescent material. It's powered by the Tudor in-house Calibre MT5652 automatic movement, a travel time complication specifically designed for the Black Bay GMT, which allows you to adjust the local jumping hour hand without interrupting any timekeeping. COSC certified with a 70-hour power reserve. It's fitted on a polished and satin-finished riveted steel bracelet with a folding clasp and safety catch. The Black Bay GMT is the total package. For those looking for a practical, everyday, robust timepiece, providing great value and longevity. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more watch reviews and tutorials. And as always, shop at DavidSW.com for trusted online watch sales.